Okay, we all know that they're having this emergency alert test on Wednesday, October the 4th. But we have something else going on that day. Something I just found out today myself. I'll put a link to this. You're going to love this. This is National Count Day. It's a major event in some school districts. The more students that attend Count Day, the more funding the school gets. Yep, Count Day is a day in the school year that means everything to the schools in terms of the amount of funding they receive. For every student that can be accounted for on that special day, funds are allotted to that school. They're getting anywhere from $6,400 for each kid up to $7,000 for each kid. Now getting the kids into the classroom. As one might suspect with this type of system, getting children into the classroom on Count Day becomes a high priority for the school district. They must depend on this method for their funding. In Detroit, some schools were enticing children to attend school by throwing parties complete with inflatables, gift card giveaways, and even live musical entertainment. Now, hang on, there's another one. Now this here is Grand Rapids School. Same day, October 4th, 2023. Want all them kids in school, right? Attendance is important. Counts every single day, but on Wednesday, the 4th, it counts for a percentage of your school funding. Make sure your children are in school on Wednesday, October 4th. Spread the word, email, Facebook, Twitter, blog, talk to your family, friends, neighbors. Encourage 100% attendance every day, but particularly on Count Day. If your child is sick or unable to attend, please make sure you call the main office at your school to report an excused absence. You can't make this stuff up. It's like, well, you know, we don't care if you miss most of the year, but man, you've got to be there on October 4th. We need that money. We'll give you passing grades. I'm kind of joking about that. It just kind of pissed me off the way I saw this, put it together. But they want everybody in school on October the 4th. And that just rang a bell to me with the emergency broadcasting, which probably doesn't mean a damn thing, but it could. It really could. So, I know. It's just the way I think. Guess I'm not a very trusting person. And none of us should be in this day and age. Now when you have tyrants running the country. Traitors in our midst, if you want to call it that. But that's what I come up with. By accident. National Count Day. Each one of the kids are worth $7,000 apiece. Get them to school. Unreal. Thanks for watching.